In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the chord progression to the song Ripped Pants from Spongebob. We'll be playing the 3-note chord in the right hand and the bass note in the left hand. Big Larry came round just to put him down. SpongeBob turned into a clown, and no girl ever wants to dance with the fool who went and ripped his pants. I know I shouldn't mope around, I shouldn't curse, but the pain feels so much worse. 'Cause winding up with no one is a lot less fun than a burn from the sun or sand in your buns. Now I learned a lesson I won't soon forget, so listen and you won't regret. Stay true to yourself, don't miss your chance, and you won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants. Okay, so our first chord, C major, C, E, G. Big Larry came round just to... Then the 6th chord, A minor, A, C, E. Put him down. Then the 2 chord, D minor, D, F, A. SpongeBob turned in. Then the 5 chord, G major, G, B, D. To a clown. Then the 3 chord, E minor, E, G, B. No one ever wants. Then the 6 major chord, A, C sharp, E, wants to dance with a... Then the 2 chord, D minor, D, F, A, fool who went and... Then the 5 chord, G, B, D, ripped his pants. Then the 3 chord, E minor, E, G, B, I know I shouldn't mope around, Then the 6 major chord again, shouldn't curse, A, C sharp, E. The 2 chord, D minor, D, F, A, but the pain feels so much. Then F minor, F, A flat, C. That is the 4 minor chord. Then the 3 chord, E minor, E, G, B, because winding up with no one is a... Then the 6 major chord again, lot less fun, A, C sharp, E. The 2 chord, D minor, D, F, A, then a burn from the sun, 5 chord, G major, G, B, D, or sand in your buns. Then there's that little interlude where he rubs the hamburgers. Then it basically just repeats, but it's a little bit different at the end. Now I learned a lesson, C major, I won't soon forget, A minor, listen and you, D minor, won't regret, G major, stay true to yourself, E minor, don't miss your chance, A major, and you won't end up like the D minor. We just stay in that G major there, and then we resolve on the 1 chord, the C. Pants, 5, 1, G, C, and that is Ripped Pants.